Good morning, friends. Course name is CS8080 Information Retrieval Techniques. Fourth year, 8th semester. A KSD on Library Information System using mobile application development. I'm going to next one. The company name Aero Engineering Coimbatore. Thrust area Big Data Analytics Industrial Vertical Smart City. So next one, my empathy part is a difficult to maintain manual records for books. For books in library, I suppose whatever books are received in library, difficult to maintain in manual record, so that we can go for um, easily updated in system and sent through the mobile applications for my uh, library library management systems, library sectors. So my empathy part is difficult in maintain manual record in library, lot of human resources and paper waste in my library, and more time required to manual record to complete for all those books in library, so that we go for solution for my case study. This is my problem statement. This is a one example for issue record for Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. This is a manual record for maintain the books to issue in the students as well as faculty members. So name, destination, school or division, issue date and access date and return date. So difficult in maintain manual record for books at store in library, and paper waste due to the human waste to more recurred. So if each and every time uh, the books are issues in the very difficult to maintain in manual record, as well as keep it in store in the library. So easily create one website or applications is maintain for my books in the my library sectors. I'm going to next one. This is my solution to develop a mobile application for books in library and order, arrival and update the library. The details sent through the app and student and faculty members. So whatever books I received, so the books details are updated here with the image. After the first updated my my system and website. After easily the link sent through my students and faculty members. Those who want to the books borrow from through my mobile or book that book, and the already book the books in through mobile app. The library members are verify the books and keep taking to a library in charge or any nearby system. Those who are coming those who are coming next to your library, and the books are handed to the students and faculty members. Once the software is developed and first updated detail of the books and books detail for author name, book name and price, all those things, and through student id number or faculty id numbers, faculty id numbers, updated the details through mobile applications. After the if I am a student, I search the books, I want these books, I click the image and list out the details, and whether if you want, that means if you want book the books, if you not want, cancel the cancel the booking in the area. So this is the easiest one. After completion, the person can show your id card and scan it, easily updated my system and apps website in mobile. So after that, whenever I will going to my library and get back sorry, going to library, I taking the books through my id number. This is the easiest way to complete my solution. So once they develop the mobile application for books in library and order, if a book is not available, order sent through a library, and after arrival and update my library and details are sent through application in the students and faculty members. This is the easiest one for that one. Methodology: the database collection for details of books and students faculty ID card, and to create admin and user login for system and faculty members. So once I'm an admin, as a library manager, a library admin, I create the user ID for particular student ID and particular faculty ID. After, to allocate user for each student and faculty member in particular ID numbers, and each students and faculty to verify the books and newspaper day to day, and details are updated into the mobile applications. And students and faculty members must verify the books in library and borrow from the through mobile applications. So after overall process are completed, the books allocated for particular ID number, and whenever the members going to library, take the books, easiest one. No need waiting for the library queue, no need waiting for manual records. This happened my methodology. This is methodology, graphical representation, the database collection for detail of books, students and faculty ID number, login creation for admin, and user login in students and faculty members. To allocate user login for each students and faculty members in particular ID number. Once created, the library members can verify all details are verified and update first the system, after convert to website, after convert to mobile app, and the app link to send create the app. After the students once open the through login ID, what are the books are available, what are the books are not available, you can show. Suppose I want to see programming books, whether it's available, just I touch the image. After that, see the details, the book is available or not. If available, book the book. After whenever I go to the library, ma'am, already I booked the booking that book, this book, tell about the title, and just put a sign and take the book and return back to your classes. This is for students, at the same time applicable to your faculty members. So each students faculty to verify the books and newspaper day to day, for details are updated sent through the mobile application, and students and faculty members must verify the books in library and borrow from through my mobile application. This is a methodology for library information system. So this is the benefits: reduce the time, and each monitoring stocks for books in library and updated details sent through the mobile application in library and students faculty members, and reduce the human resource facility, and reduce the paper waste. This is my case study about library information system. This is my references, and thank you.